but we can't open up the back hatch because it won't open.
Oh, the base broke it?
Yeah.
I understand. That happens a lot.
The base broke almost everything.
Is this yours?
It's me and my fiance's.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I gotta trying to outdo him down there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know what all's in here?
Yeah.
Could you tell me for a video?
I think that's a 4500 or 45 amp C-Max.
Yep.
Lithium. We have a 45 watt RMS SCAR RP. And then we got 4 of the DDX15s.
DDX, okay. Awesome. Can I see the box? Is there a port?
Yeah, but it's at the bottom, but we can't open up the back hatch because it won't open.
Oh, the base broke it?
Yeah.
I understand. That happens a lot.
The base broke almost everything in this bad
Yes, ma'am. I understand. Okay. How low does it, can I open the side to look in? How low does the box play? Like, do you know the tuning of it or anything like that?
We just built this one, actually. This is the brand new box.
Oh, okay.
So we ain't even had it. We were just playing with it this go round.
Got it.
140, I think a 149.
Nice.
33.
Okay. Yep.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Nice. Is he around somewhere?
Yeah, he's probably over there with one of our friends, Dusty.
Okay.
Yeah, he's around here somewhere.
Okay. Can I get another Subwoofer Flex demo if y'all can play something that you know that moves good subs?
You're fine. Let's see here. Come on. We're being slow today.
show me that. That was 28 hertz?
Yeah, 28 hertz.
Wow, that's really good for a low frequency. It peaks low then.
Yeah,
Awesome.
this is our baby.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Not putting money in this bad boy.
So what is y'all's names for the ownership of the
John Hall.
John Hall? Okay. Awesome. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
All right, well, you have a good day. Thanks for showing me.
You're welcome.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.